quick refresher on building a major scale, you need to know the sharps or flats, and then you need to stay alphabetical. So if it's the key of F, F has one flat, so you're going to go F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and then one flat is B, so it's a B flat. If you don't remember the order of sharps and flats, that's your B juicy fruit. And the sharps are the reverse. Sharps are the F, C, G, D, A, E, B. If you have more questions on that, search the YouTube channel for that. If you forget how many flats are in key signatures, also search YouTube for that, and my channel. You should be able to find it pretty easily. Go to youtube.com/c/Joe Janigan, and then click the little magnifying glass, and then look for key signatures. You can just type in the word key. Here we go. Here's the key signature. So here's another key signatures trick. If you need to review, watch those two videos to review that information. Then come back to this. To alter any major scale to a minor scale, you have a flat 3, a flat 6, and a flat 7. So if you take your previous scale above, lower the third, so A becomes A flat. The 6th, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D becomes D flat. The 7 becomes E flat. And now you have an F minor scale. Again, if you have questions on that, search my channel for minor scale theory. And then here is minor scale theory. Here is more minor scale theory. Watch those videos and get yourself caught up. Okay? All right. So this is a lesson on how to do, it's the relative major and minor worksheet. This was probably printed and given to you. It's a two-sided sheet. So here's what that actual sheet looks like. I copied it and pasted it and made it a little bit larger. So there's a few steps you want to do, and the worksheet is written out to give you the steps. So here's step 1. You're going to figure out the order of sharps and flats for each of these. So number of sharps and flats. What I would prefer that you do is in the key of C, there are 0 sharps and flats. If there were, the key of A has 3 sharps, I'd prefer that you wrote in 3 and then sharps. That would be good. And here there are none. All right, C major scale. Since there's 0 sharps or flats, easy. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. What degree does the relative minor start on? This is going to be the same answer for every question. The relative minor starts in the 6th scale degree. This information is really all that we're doing that's new. I'm teaching it to you in several different ways. What degree does the relative minor start on? The 6th. That's going to be that answer for every single one of these questions. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A minor is the relative of C major. So spell the relative minor scale. That would be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You're not going to alter it. You will do nothing to this scale. Do not alter this scale. The reason is we're using the relative minor. So we're in C major. C major's relative minor starts on the 6th, and it's A. So we want an A minor scale. If we start on A inside of C, that is a minor scale already. So just for some extra knowledge here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A has 3 sharps. If you have 3 sharps, thinking back to your previous knowledge, that's going to be B, E, A, D, G, C, F. So the sharps are going to be F, C, and G. Make that red. So you have to make those letters sharp. C sharp, F sharp, G sharp. That's an A major scale. If you're going to lower this and turn it into a minor scale, you would lower the 3rd, the 6th, and the 7th, which right here, this is our minor scale. That's a long way of saying do not alter this. Whatever you have right here that already is minor, you don't need to do anything to it. Now this, you are going to alter. So now I want you to do C minor. So let's make that red as well. So you can take this scale, here's C major, we want to copy that, paste it down here, then we want to make this minor. To make it minor, you alter the flat 3, the flat 6, and the flat 7. So C, E flat, it's your third, count to 6, 7. That's a C minor scale. So that's how you do this whole thing. There's some steps here. Let's do it again. Let's just do it in a different key. Let's do this in the key of G. So how many sharps or flats are in the key of G? I'll give you a second to think about it. The answer is 1. 1 sharp. And that would be an F sharp. You got to use your bead juicy fruit for that. So here's what I'd like to do. We're going to pause the screen here. Pause. And what I want you to do real quickly is fill this out on your screen. And when you're ready, come back and I'll do it with you. Okay, so write this down, fill this information out, then I'll come back and do it with you. Welcome back. Here we go. So to spell the scale, we're going to go from G to G. G, A, B, oops, C, D, E, F, G. We add our sharps in. 1 sharp, F sharp. What degree does the relative minor start on? For every single one of these, it's going to be the 6th scale degree. So if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's E. Make that a different color for now. Spell the relative major scale. You do not need to make any alterations. You're simply going to spell E to E. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E. Now we're going to alter G minor, or G major to G minor. So you can copy this. Here's G major. We want to lower the 3rd, the 6th, and the 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. F sharp lowered by a half step becomes F. There is your G minor scale. You're done. That's it. If you were unsure about this, rewind, watch it a couple times. Good luck.